Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Kitija, and in this channel I share all different types of jewelry that I have found on the internet, something that I make for my shop, or like in this video, something that I have been requested to make, which is this little frog. And the request I was sent was the frog was in a necklace, but I'm not going to be doing that today. I'm going to be just making the frog, and then I will put it on the earring as to how I would wear it. Let's get started. Things that I'm going to use, I have 2 earring parts, then I have Miyuki beads size 11/0. So I have the yellow ones and green ones, and then I have only taken 2 black beads, but I already used 2. These ones are Miyuki beads size 11/0 as well, and then I have for the eyes as well these white ones, but these ones are Miyuki beads size 8/0. Then obviously I have a beading mat. I have some copper wire. This one that I'm gonna work with is 0.3 millimeter, and then I have 3 different pliers. Everything that I use I will link in the description box, so if you want to purchase anything that you see in the screen right now, check the description box, the link will be there. I am going to start by taking some wire. I am going to take about 30 centimeters, and there is no like specific length you need to take it. I'm just taking it so it's comfortable for me to work with it while I put the beads on. I am going to start with one of the legs, but first thing I want to just fold it over so it's like in a half. And the reason is that this part is going to be the half, so we kind of like take the same length on each side. And now I am going to make one of the legs, and here you can experiment. You don't necessarily need to take as many beads I take, but I don't know, I think it looks quite cute. So I'm gonna take 8 green beads and just put them on one end of the wire like so, just so we don't cross the half part. And then I am going to take 3 yellow beads and put them on the same end of the wire, and this is for the little part of the, I think, feet. Do frogs have feet? I don't know. And now I take the wire and I skip all the 3 yellow beads, and I put the wire back through all the green beads. And now if you take pliers, you can just pull the wire and it just created this little leg. And now I take the other end of the wire, and this time we're gonna put 10 green beads on. And the reason we put 10 beads on is because we are creating this part here, these 2 beads like so. And now we take 3 yellow beads again, put them on the wire like so. And now again we skip the 3 yellow beads and we put the wire through 8 beads. And now we put 10 green beads on, but we are skipping 2 beads. We don't put the wire through. And then Once you have done that, you can again take the pliers and just pull the end so it creates the little feet again. So this is how it looks now. And now we're going to take one end of the wire, doesn't matter which one, and we're going to put 3 beads on, the green ones. Like so. And now we take the other end of the wire and pull the wire through the opposite side, like up, down, through the 3 beads. And when you pull it, we kind of have the 3 beads and each end of the wire is coming through the opposite side. Like so. And now we do the same thing again. We take 3 green beads, put on one end of the wire, like so, and then take the other end of the wire and put through the other end 3 beads, the other side of the 3 beads, like so. And then when you pull the ends, it's just creating the body of the frog. And now we take 2 beads, 2 green beads, and do the same thing. So put 2 beads on one end of the wire, and then take the other end of the wire and put through the other side, like so. And then you pull it, and this is how it looks. And now we need to create the eyes. So I'm going to start with the right side, and I'm going to put 1 green bead, 1 of the big white beads, and 1 black bead on the wire, like so. And now I'm going to skip the black bead and take the wire and put it through the white and the green bead. It's like how we did in the beginning, but we are just skipping 1 black bead instead of 3 yellow beads. And when you pull it, he created 1 eye. And now we do the same thing on the other side. We take 1 green bead, 1 large white bead, and 1 black bead. Drag it down, and then skip the black bead and put the wire through the white and the green. This is how it looks. And now we need to create the legs again. So I take 8 green beads, put on one end of the wire, like so. Then take 3 yellow beads, and then we take the same wire, we skip the 3 yellow beads and put the wire through the 8 green beads we just put on. And now if you take pliers again, you can just pull on the end. And it comes together and creates a little leg again. And now we do the same thing on the other side. Put 8 green beads on, 3 yellow, like so. Skip the yellow beads and put the wire through the green, 8 green beads that we just put on. Take pliers and just pull on the end. Like so. And now I will put 1 green bead on one end of the wire here, and now I will take the same end and just put it through the 3 green beads on the body. If you use bigger wire, you might not be able to do it, so you might need to use bigger beads. And then once you pull it, it's just gonna come together nicely. And then if you do the same thing on the other side, put 1 green bead on, and then take the same end and put it through same 3 beads in the body. And you pull it, and this is how it looks now. And now all we need to do is just hide the ends. So what I would suggest, to like put the wire through a couple more beads. So I'm just gonna go through the next 3 beads on the body like this on one side, and then the other side, like so. And now what I would do, I would just take the wire, and you can see here is like little, these parts. I would just wrap it around a couple of times, just so we can hide the ends. Oh, well, I just pulled it off, but normally we would just cut it off. Okay, let's see if the other side lets me do it properly. So you just wrap it around. I pulled it too hard because it's a very, very tiny wire, so okay. And now you can just cut it off. And this is your frog done. You can connect them if you want. Like if you want to connect them, then I would suggest you to, I don't know, use jump rings or something. But as I said, I am going to make earrings from it. So I have this earring part. I just open up the little hoop. If you don't have that option, you can just use jump ring again, and then I will just put it through one of the legs like so, and then you just close it. I will put a picture in on how it looks in the ear, and then I take the other one, do the same thing. I open up the little ring and I put it on one of the legs, close it down, and that's it. That's your frog earrings done. I think they're really cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's not as hard as it seems. It's just like, because when you make them you can twist and turn as you wish. I think they're quite cute, and whoever requested this video to be made, I hope this is what you was looking for. And for everybody else, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did try to make these earrings or necklace or bracelet or whatever, let me know. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.